Best practices for Afterpay WooCommerce integration is crucial for merchants to provide a seamless payment experience for their customers. To begin with, ensure you have the latest version of WooCommerce installed on your WordPress site. Next, download and install the official Afterpay plugin from the WooCommerce extensions library. Once installed, navigate to the WooCommerce settings page and click on the Payments tab. Here you will find the Afterpay payment gateway. Click on it to configure the settings. You will need to enter your Afterpay merchant ID and API key, which can be obtained from your Afterpay merchant account. Configure the payment gateway to suit your business needs, such as setting the minimum and maximum order amounts, and selecting the payment types you want to offer, such as Pay in 4 or Pay in 6. You can also customize the Afterpay branding and messaging to match your store's theme and style. To ensure a smooth checkout experience, make sure to test the Afterpay payment gateway thoroughly. Place a test order to verify that the payment gateway is working correctly and that the Afterpay payment options are displayed correctly at checkout. Best practices for Afterpay WooCommerce integration include clearly displaying Afterpay payment options and terms on your product pages and at checkout. This will help to avoid any confusion and ensure that customers understand the payment terms and conditions. Additionally, make sure to keep your WooCommerce and Afterpay plugin up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security patches. Regularly review your Afterpay transaction reports to monitor sales, refunds, and chargebacks, and adjust your payment settings as needed to optimize your sales and reduce fraud. By following these best practices, you can provide a seamless and secure payment experience for your customers, increase conversions, and grow your online sales with Afterpay WooCommerce integration.